Oh shit. It's already recording. We got a bunch of these little stupid flasher fireworks, but we're putting them in a fucking bottle and all sticking out. And yeah, you can't see too well, but there's a few more of them motherfuckers down there. Alright, but what we're gonna do is we got this pit right here that is almost out. We've got a couple logs been burning for a while, and we're bored. So, well, I guess here goes nothing, right? What's the worst that can happen? Did you put the sparklers in there?
Yeah, there's a couple sparklers.
Oh yeah.
A couple jumping jacks in there.
Sweet. All right, let's get this show started. Just put right on it. That way get on. Oh well, fuck it. See what it does. That's whack. Come on, do something. Munch going in for the kill. Oh shit. Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh, flip. Hey, I wouldn't suggest touching one of those after it goes off. You might burn off your fingertips.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm talking to the viewers out there in public land. Oh shit, there we go. Now where's the bottom was? Oh, a little bit of sparkler I see. What the hell? You might have to edit this. It's a bit long. Oh, here's some sparklers. I don't know if you can see that. Little sparklies. Little sparklies. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see that? A little bit of sparklies there at the end for y'all folks. With the flashers. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I know it's not the 4th of July, but be ready folks, because the 4th of July is the good stuff's coming. Alright, well anyways, this was Crunch and Munch, and we out this bitch.